did is just lit up two teams along with me. There's nothing make Jalna sweat in this match as Agiri. He was very impressive.
ये प्रशांत यादव
Going towards the left corner, but then suddenly paused, turned, and did not know what to do there. Ajay Rathod had to go back. Point. The clock had run down 40 minutes. Remember, the clock had run down. The match timing was a very, very dumb sort of a question. Like any news reporter, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझको तो नहीं, लेकिन एक बार क्या हुआ था, ऐसे किसी खिलाड़ी से या किसी से ये सवाल पूछा गया था और
to find out that record sheeter against Vaibhav Bose, which is a good record.
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। आप जिस तरीके से खेल रहे हैं, आप 3 में से 3 मैच हार करके आए हैं, चौथे हार का स्वाद आप नहीं लेना चाहते। युवराज यादव यहाँ पर सेलिब्रेट करते हुए
In the way Prashant Yadav is out, and Nikhil Shirke will revive him. He will revive him very soon. Jalna from the all out, and I don't see Sunil Rathod having any plan. He's a defender. That's it. Over. When you're turning around like a cat.
1 + 2 3.
वही वैभव बोरसे के द्वारा देखने को मिला है।
Totally. Yeah, Wayne Rooney, the big England player. Right leg off. How was that out of bound? Akshay Desai. If nothing happens here from Deepak Jadhav, I wonder where was it from conflict. They did not.
ये बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं थी, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि 12 पॉइंट की लीड है।
Not given. I think he was probably cutting the bonus line. If we can have that replay as well with the bonus attempt, let's just check it. Oh, simple hand touch. Beautifully done
1 point.
वो देखते कहीं और थे और बॉल कहीं और पास करते थे।
from everybody. Yeah, and also don't give too many points to Prashant Yadav. Just go for his waist. He's just indicated to go for the back home. Told his players not to go attack him on the legs, and they don't even attack him. They're
शुरुआत की थी रेड लगा करके, और
sir, I'll come out myself. You don't take me out. Oh God. Just imagine if this bench also disappoints him. Yeah, then what is he got to do? Oh, not like that. That's a big disappointment. Yuvraj Jadhav. It's like that.
लगातार प्रदर्शन उनका बद से बदतर होते हुए, और रायगढ़ वो खुश होगी, लेकिन क्या यहाँ पर रायगढ़ को फिर से यहाँ पर कुछ सुपर रेड है क्या?
And 4.
It looks like.
1-4.
It looks like a super raid, Nikhil Shirke. He says the bench also is not good enough, Mr. Punjab Rao.
1 and 4 out.
It's a super duper raid. That's what I want to say, because what has Punjab Rao now got to do? He changed the entire. That face tells all the stories. Look at that. You don't have to worry about the dangling hand, and you don't have to worry about the fingers crossing over. Again, a weak tackle outside the back line. They're giving Nikhil Shirke all the prizes for this Mahashivratri. Come on. Prakash Chavan again. Look how far outside. Not.
डू और डाई रेड आकाश राठौड़ यहाँ पर, और लगातार यहाँ पर जलना पे प्रेशर बनते हुए 1 पॉइंट यहाँ पर मिलेगा।
1 point Jalna. Just number 14
लाइन
out.
के आखिर में उन्हें पकड़ने लाया।
Speak of the northernmost part of Jammu Kashmir especially. Now probably some kabaddi happening there as well. Running hand touch, Prashant Jadhav is cleaned up. Jalna, he says, I will take a deep dive in the Dal Lake of Kashmir by just running around. Yeah, that's it.
All in.
All.
अभी हम क्रिकेट देख रहे हैं।
Return out. 1 point Jalna.
आएगा गर्मी होती है, और खिलाड़ियों के लिए
Yeah, I think we'll get your thoughts back there, Navneet. It was just there's some network that's been. Yeah, we'll speak about that. Yeah, after this do or die raid. Yes, Navneet.
श्योर डू और डाई रेड में यहाँ पकड़े गए हैं, कोई मौका
Return
नहीं है।
out. 1 point
और
Raigad.
कश्मीर बेहद खूबसूरत, एक ठंडी जगह, टूरिज्म के लिए प्रसिद्ध, और वहाँ पर अगर खेल खेला जाए, आप 2 खिलाड़ियों का नाम
Dharamshala, definitely. What a scenic view. Been there a couple of times. Thanks.
खूबसूरत देखने को मिले।
but the players need to just probably
1 point Raigad.
you
Judge
know
number
on the ground. Yeah, we have local tournaments which is definitely played on open spaces on the mat, so the players are used to it. But say Kashmir, oh, this is good. Only you need those extra stands that can be properly rooted in, because you might also have to be mindful of the big winds that blow.
1.
सिर्फ जर्सी में नहीं, आप पैंट भी नहीं कर सकते.
No, I think I'll tell you what, the pant I think will probably not fit in. It's a good thought though. Wow, there you go.
Header out.
Like this tackle. Now see what
3
happened
points,
from
Raigad.
the
और कोचेस की नाम ली जाए और ग्रीन कार्ड का जिक्र हो.
greed that we keep speaking about. See, if that is a mega hit, I don't know if we can get such an open place where it can be arranged.
जी देखिए, चाल युवराज चौधरी. जी हाँ,
So clean in the beaches, but the southern part.
इसमें 4 कोर्ट्स पे खेले जाते हैं, तो क्या उस तरीके का कुछ कश्मीर की चर्चा कर रहे हैं. और इससे क्या होता है कि दर्शकों को जब कुछ नया चीज देखने को मिलता है ना, जैसे धर्मशाला में जब भी मैच होता है तो लोग अपने
Header out.
टीवी से चिपक
1
जाते हैं.
point Raigad.
Totally. So the point table can be minimized, but they'll have to target something more than 25-30 for Raigad, which is possible. But
Header
if the defense
1 point Jalna.
falters
Judge
like
number
this,
14 out.
yeah, it might not be good. Difference more and more, because unfortunately in that mini points table that we fire in the graphics, we will not have the score difference. But what is happening here is a combination
1
tackle.
point Raigad.
Very good work. Oh God, the bottom 5, we can show that to people watching live on fan. Even gone to work on the opponent's score. Yeah, there you go, Jalna there. Search it like we search the pearl from the oyster in the ocean.
जी बिल्कुल, बहुत ही अच्छी पॉइंट आपने कही. और वो जो 31 की
One or two here and there want to be something different, so they will play on with the graphics on the numbers. Yeah, another 2 points maybe.
है कि 10 एग्जिट पोल्स आ जाते हैं और 10 में से किसी एक दो है, और काफी खर्च होते हैं उससे.
Correct. Again an all out. I've lost count on the number of all outs.
3
It's the
points.
5th one, I think, if I'm
All
not
out,
wrong.
Jalna.
Yeah, some bit of Marathi is helping me out. Thank you for. Everybody speaks about commentators' curse, and I speak about the graphical operators' curse, the producers' curse,
Let us
and
say-
everybody.
1 point
Nobody spoke
Raigad.
of commentators for the sports, especially in Khelo India. So he was just going out there and asking the Olympics to give it to India, the Olympics Association to give it to India. Nice tackle, good one from Jalna. Finally, they get together. Yeah, but even if Olympics comes to India, say probably what 2028 we are talking about, maybe if not 25, 29, 28, maybe that's the time. Sport to be associated or included inside Olympics. For the men's version, it should be 60 countries, and for women, it's 45
point,
countries.
Jalna.
As
That's
Yuvraj
number 11 out.
was revived, right corner, yeah, Raj More, not a proper grip on the ankles, goes through. So yeah, if yeah, see, it is there.
Majorly
Kabaddi
Raigad.
has
Judge
reached.
number 13 out.
Yeah. No, Kabaddi has reached Thailand. Kabaddi has reached Malaysia. Kabaddi has reached, even Sri Lanka, Philippines. Of course.